Crazy About Water is a social enterprise and would like to raise the bar for water, to make water more important, to have a different perspective, to make water more sexy. We do a market research now to scope every different country to see the specific water challenges. So the number one that we found out for the region is really water supply, access to water supply. Sanitation is sort of number two. In the water ecosystem, we need like-minded people from the government, corporates and social entrepreneurs to work together. Corporates have a crucial role to play in the Sustainable Development Goals, and it also brings a lot of responsibility for them. So I think they can change the way businesses are being run. So I think corporates can play a crucial role. For instance, agriculture and industry are the major resources for the water challenges. So if they can change their processes, I think we can solve the water mismanagement. For corporates it's important to adapt water in their strategies, because without water there's no business. So they need to run their business sustainably. To play that role with communities, so to make sure that the water that they take, they bring it back as well.